In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu font size in your Shopify store quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, copy the custom CSS code you want to use for changing the menu font size. You can get this code from a trusted source like Pastebin or your own custom CSS snippet. Next, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store, then go to Themes. Now, locate your active theme and click the three dots button next to it. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. Inside the code editor, look for the Layout section and click on Theme.liquid. Now, scroll all the way down near the bottom of the file and locate the Closing Body tag. Right above the Closing Body tag, paste your custom font size CSS code. Inside the code, you'll usually see a font size value like 18px. You can change this number to any size you want depending on how large or small you want your menu text to appear. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save in the top right corner. After saving, click View Your Store to preview the updated menu font size live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully changed the menu font size in Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.